Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The Garmin FENIX 8 Pro is a premium multisport GPS smartwatch designed for serious athletes and adventurers. It features a rugged design, advanced training and health tracking features, and a long battery life. The FENIX 8 Pro is available in 3 sizes: 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm. It has a bright AMOLED display or solar charging for even greater battery life. The FENIX 8 Pro has features, including a built-in speaker and microphone for voice commands, a built-in LED flashlight, and a depth gauge for diving. It is also compatible with a variety of sensors and accessories, such as heart rate monitors, cadence sensors, and power meters. The FENIX 8 Pro is generating considerable buzz, with rumors suggesting it will be equipped with cutting-edge micro-LED display technology. This revolutionary display system promises a significant leap forward in visual quality and device performance. Unlike traditional LCD or OLED displays, micro-LED utilizes millions of tiny, self-illuminating LEDs. Each LED acts as an individual pixel, allowing for unparalleled control over brightness and color. This results in several key advantages: unmatched brightness and clarity. Micro-LED displays exhibit exceptional brightness, far surpassing the capabilities of LCD or OLED screens. This ensures exceptional visibility even in direct sunlight, a crucial feature for outdoor use. Furthermore, the individual pixel control eliminates the need for backlights, resulting in deeper blacks, higher contrast ratios, and sharper, more vibrant images. Superior power efficiency. Micro-LED's self-illuminating nature significantly reduces power consumption compared to traditional displays. This translates to extended battery life, a critical factor for mobile devices like smartphones. Lower power consumption also contributes to reduced heat generation, improving overall device performance and efficiency. Enhanced durability and longevity. Micro-LED displays are inherently more robust than their predecessors. The inorganic nature of the LEDs makes them less susceptible to burn-in, a common issue with OLED screens. Additionally, the smaller size and structure of the LEDs contribute to greater durability and resistance to physical damage. This makes micro-LED an ideal choice for devices that may be subjected to rough handling or extreme conditions. Advanced health monitoring. The anticipated FENIX 8 Pro promises a significant leap forward in health and performance tracking, spearheaded by the inclusion of the cutting-edge Elevate Gen 6 heart rate sensor. This advanced sensor technology unlocks a suite of powerful features designed to provide users with unparalleled insights into their physiological state. Continuous ECG monitoring. The FENIX 8 Pro is expected to feature continuous electrocardiogram monitoring. This breakthrough capability allows for real-time assessment of the user's heart rhythm, enabling them to identify potential cardiac irregularities. Early detection of conditions like atrial fibrillation can be crucial for proactive health management. Optimize workout intensity. By monitoring heart rate variability in real time, athletes can adjust their training intensity to avoid overtraining and maximize performance gains. Track stress levels. ECG data can be correlated with stress levels, providing valuable insights into overall well-being and the impact of daily stressors on cardiovascular health. Lactate threshold tracking. A key feature for serious athletes, lactate threshold tracking helps users understand their body's physiological limits. Improved performance optimization. By identifying the point at which lactate levels in the blood begin to rise significantly, athletes can tailor their training to push their limits safely and effectively. Enhanced endurance. Understanding the lactate threshold allows for more efficient training programs that focus on improving endurance and maximizing performance on race day. Advanced heart rate variability analysis. HRV, the subtle variations in the time interval between heartbeats, is a powerful indicator of overall health and stress levels. Enhanced recovery monitoring. The FENIX 8 Pro can provide valuable insights into recovery status after workouts or periods of intense stress by analyzing HRV patterns. Stress management strategies. Continuous HRV monitoring can help users identify and manage stress triggers, promoting overall well-being. Comprehensive sleep tracking. Sleep quality significantly impacts physical and mental performance. The FENIX 8 Pro is expected to offer enhanced sleep tracking capabilities, including detailed sleep stage analysis. Provides insights into the duration and quality of different sleep stages, light, deep, REM, allowing users to identify sleep disturbances and optimize their sleep environment. Personalized sleep insights. Based on sleep data, the watch can offer personalized recommendations to improve sleep quality, such as optimizing bedtime routines or adjusting sleep schedules. Refined design. Despite the inclusion of advanced sensor technology, the FENIX 8 Pro is expected to maintain its rugged and durable design while incorporating a slimmer profile for enhanced comfort and wearability. Sleek profile. The integration of micro-LED technology is expected to enable a slimmer design without compromising on the rugged durability that the FENIX series is known for. 2 size options. The FENIX 8 Pro is rumored to be available in 2 sizes, 47mm and 51mm, similar to the current FENIX 8 models, offering a comfortable fit for various wrist sizes. Enhanced features. Upgrades like a brighter flashlight and improved microphone capabilities are expected to enhance usability in challenging environments. Satellite connectivity. Game-changing feature. One of the most exciting rumored features is satellite connectivity. This would allow users to send messages and make calls even in remote areas with no cellular service. A crucial safety feature for adventurers. Garmin's legacy of innovation. Building on success. The FENIX 8 Pro builds upon the successful legacy of the FENIX series, which has consistently pushed the boundaries of premium smartwatch technology. Key advancements. FENIX 5 introduced a rugged design tailored for outdoor use. FENIX 6 added solar charging and expanded storage capabilities. FENIX 7 brought multi-band GNSS support, improved mapping, and a built-in flashlight. FENIX 8 focused on enhanced battery life and overall performance. Advanced training tools. For serious athletes. The FENIX 8 Pro is designed to be the ultimate training companion for serious athletes, providing precise data and actionable insights to optimize performance. Release timeline. Anticipated release. While Garmin typically adheres to an 18 to 24-month refresh cycle for the FENIX series, the rapid succession of leaks following the FENIX 8's launch suggests that the Pro version may arrive sooner than expected. Final thoughts. The Garmin FENIX 8 Pro is poised to be a groundbreaking addition to the premium sports watch market. With its cutting-edge technology, advanced health monitoring features, and potential satellite connectivity, it promises to set new benchmarks for performance and usability. Whether you're an ultrarunner, triathlete, or outdoor enthusiast, the FENIX 8 Pro offers a powerful and versatile tool to help you achieve your goals.